Uh, Good afternoon, distinguished members in the faculty, changers, teachers, and audience present. In this moment, I do present the projects. It is honor to present the projects. They belong to we have dedicated compromise commitments. The song. It is the song. The song is very important in the society. Is the the country, the vida, the life in the process. However, I don't know progress in the potentials, because it's conventional. The traditional is no 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 first. For this reason, is the project. The project is very important. Why? Why? Because it's the wheels in mobiles in the loop. For example, in Tingo Maria. In Tingo Maria is the good presence, the improving the converting the energy in the during the day.
Problems or needs. Very high electricity bill. The customer is tired of paying increasingly expensive bills and wants to reduce that monthly fixed expense. Empowers outage in their area. They need energy autonomy so they don't get left without electricity during blackouts. Living in area with lots of suns. The keynote, they have a free resource, the suns, and aren't taking advantage of it. Wants energy independence. They don't want to depend on an electric company or its pricing policies. 5. Constant increases in electricity rates, wants to protect themselves from annual price hikes.
Product or service. My product. Phototropic panel system that tracks the sunpath, mimicking plants to maximize solar radiation. The structure is made with locally sourced, treated materials, making it durable and more economical. It includes panels, a tracking mechanism, inverter, and storage batteries. Service, technical study, sizing, and design of a structure adapted to the terrain, professional installation and commissioning of the system, user training for correct and safe operation, materials, maintenance, and timely repair service.
Benefits. Unlike fixing photovoltaic systems which remain static and only harvest solar irradiance optimally during peak sun hours, our prototype implements a solar tracking system. This device utilizes biomimicry to achieve real-time dynamic rehabilitation. And actively tracking radiation to maximize the system's control operational efficiency. By implementing automated control systems, we mitigate cosine losses to achieve up to a 40% increase in effective energy yield. This means that while maintaining the sun surface area of the PV array, we achieve a significantly higher output power density simply, continuously by optimizing the angle of incidence. It not only generates clean energy but also demonstrates how control system engineering and automation can optimize renewable resource energy yield for more efficient future.
Continuing with the presentation, I will explain the benefits of our solar panels, and they are: number one, solar panels are low maintenance because they have no mobile part. Number two, solar panels clean and renewable energy. Number three, long far economic saving. Number four, solar panels energy independence because they generate free electricity. In number five, increased productivity, among other things.
In conclusion, the phototropic panel project is a fundamental solution for developing productivity in daily activities. By generating solar energy, we solve basic problems, create savings, protect the environment, and make daily activities more modern and safe. Thank you very much for your time.